Hey everyone, welcome back to Noor Telecom. Today, we're diving into a quick and easy repair for your iPhone 14, rebelling iPhone motherboard. Let's get started. We have already disassembled the motherboard. Place it to a layered heating system to disassemble the layered motherboard. After disassembly, place a part in a holder. Applying paste. Cleaning the connectors through soldering wigs. Cleaning the connectors through a soldering iron. Again, place it to a layered heating system to assemble the motherboard layers. And that's it. We've successfully rebelled the A15 motherboard. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Noor Telecom for more tech tips and repair guides. Do you have any questions or need further assistance? Drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching.